Hello everyone, this is a review of, can you turn it right side up? The Daddy Wheels Surf Skate. I ended up getting it because my boy wanted a skateboard and I bought this thinking it was a skateboard. A surf skate is different in that this truck can basically pivot way more than a regular skateboard. So it's called a surf skate. It's an entirely different board in which you can surf on it. It took what, 3 days?
Yes, 3 days.
3 days to learn, and now let's see how he does. So different than a skateboard where you just kick off. Here you do a wiggling motion. Good job. So we just took a video of you basically staying on the board all the way down the half circle of this park. What can you tell me you like and dislike about it?
Well, I don't have any major dislikes other than with the wheels, so I assume it's a manufacturing error. The wheels, they light, except one of them.
Ah, good point. Yeah, so these have LEDs within the wheels, and as you can see on camera, they all go except one, which means we have one defective wheel. I'll try to contact the manufacturer or seller and see what they can say about that. Otherwise, what do you think?
Otherwise, I have no major complaints. It feels great and maneuvers well, and you could turn much better than a regular skateboard because of the loose trucks.
Or the pivoting trucks, right? Great. Awesome. Well, I hope this helps everyone, and have a great day.